In 1990, a Brooklyn College student life community building initiative called the Asian Outreach Project was launched to address the lack of Asian American representation and participation in college activities and in the curriculum. After a decade of outreach and working with faculty, students, and administration, Asian American club life flourished, and many students, faculty, and staff, both Asian and non-Asian, joined together in a push for Asian studies. As a result, the Asian Studies minor was launched in 2006. The minor was a compilation of existing courses in art, history, modern languages, and other areas. It was housed in the history department, but there was no dedicated coordinator, space, nor funding to help the minor grow. At the same time, a push for Asian studies was happening CUNY-wide, which resulted in the establishment of a CUNY Asian American Asian Research Institute called ARI, whose mission is to educate and inspire dialogue and learning about the history, cultures, literatures, and concerns of Asian Americans in Asia. ARI also provides forums for community and international voices. In spite of the progress that has been made, Asian Americans have never been fully integrated into the community, as have other groups who have fought for and won their rights during the civil rights era. They are viewed as the model minority stereotype, which is the misconception that Asian Americans are smart and successful, have overcome adversities that other minorities have not, and are doing well. The diversity within the Asian American community has been mostly ignored, and the truth is that only 5% of the population might fall under the model minority category, whereas the remaining 95% have been excluded from benefits that other groups have enjoyed for many decades. We see the result of this in the highest rates of bullying happening to Asian Americans in the schools, high rates of poverty in the Asian American community, and the lack of Asian American representation in high-level positions, political offices, and other areas of opportunity in society. The lack of Asian American studies in schools and university settings contributes to and exacerbates the problem, as people lead misinformed lives even after graduating from a university setting. Such studies would help Asian Americans understand their role within the culture and context of American society. It would also help non-Asians understand the complexities of the Asian American experience, and it would help to combat ignorance that leads to hate and racism.